Welcome to How to Crypto. Today we are looking at how to buy Terra Luna in the United States with zero fees. First, open up the Voyager app. If you don't already have it, use the link in the description to get an extra 25 bucks worth of Bitcoin on your first purchase. Once you're inside, click on USD and then deposit USD and put in any amount of cash that you would like. From the home screen, scroll down and find Terra Luna. Click on Buy Luna at the bottom. We can place a market order if we want to buy right then and there, or we can place a limit order if you want to wait for a specific price. Swipe to submit the order and it will fill as soon as it gets a chance. That's all there is to it. If you need help buying any other cryptocurrencies, be sure to comment them below and check out the other videos on my channel because I cover overvalued cryptocurrency projects as well as potential rug pulls. So if you want to keep in the loop of altcoins that could potentially lose you a lot of money, be sure to check out the other videos on my channel. That's all for now. I'll see you next time.